5 steps to creating your first project. To create your first project, first of all you have to go to your private workspace. Type the address of your Documenta web page into your browser and then enter your login and password. 1. Click on the New Project icon, located on the right-hand side of the lower section of the screen. Fill in the project name and description fields and click on Done. 2. How do I upload files? Now a window will open and prompt you to upload all the files that you want to include in your project. Videos, sounds, photographs, without worrying about the file format or size. When you click on OK, the resource manager for your project will appear. From here, you can upload more files or change the characteristics of your project and files at any time. Click on Done and you can start working on your project. Once Documenta has converted the files, they will be displayed in the library ordered by file type. You can click on the Upload Files button at any time to add more content to your project. 3. Designing the grid. The grid lets you design your projects and use and mix many different kinds of content: audio, video, image, text, hyperlinks. You can customize your grid by choosing the number of rows and columns, merging and unmerging cells, changing the color of the background and borders. The cell is the main containing unit in Documenta. It has 2 states: when it is closed or inactive and when it is active. Cells are inactive by default when you open a page, and you can click on them to activate the content you have placed in them. The content will be displayed in the size and position that you have specified in the text, photo or video editors. How do I add content to my project? You can add photos, videos or sounds by dragging the files from the library to a cell. You can add several photos to a single cell to create a sequence, and also link a sound file to it. From the image editor, you can add more photos, or create a loop of images and sound. Change the order around, adjust the playback speed. You can also use the image editor to select the size in which you want the sequence of images to be displayed in your project when somebody clicks on it to activate it. Clicking on any empty cell takes you to the text editor. Here you can enter and format your text, add links. In the upper field, enter the text that you want to see displayed on your page by default. You can enter a title, for example. In the lower field, enter the body of the text that will be displayed on your page when somebody clicks on the title to activate it, in the size that you specify on the text editor grid. Make sure that you specify a size that will enlarge the text to a size that makes it easy to read. To see the result, you can go to the pull-down menu on the top right corner and choose Project Preview. To edit the content again, just click on the Edit Project button on the lower right of your screen. 5. Once you have completed your project, you can publish and share it. To do so, click on the blue Publish on Documenta button Even after you publish it, you can continue to edit your project. You can also share it on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. To find out the direct HTML address of your project, click on the W icon and email the link to your friends or colleagues.